Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing an ultimate deep clean, declutter, and organize of my bathroom. And as you can see by my before shots here, it absolutely needs it. It has been a while since I did a good organization and declutter in this room, so I definitely needed to do that. My medicine cabinet, although it might look not organized, actually is fairly organized. For me, I actually went through not too long ago and worked on that, so it's not too bad. It's an organized chaos in my mind. But all of these drawers that you guys see, man, like, look at them. It is insane how bad they are. It has been a while since I did this, so by this time, like, I'm just throwing things in here. I'm no longer caring, and I need to bring some organization back into this space because it is so hard to find anything, and I get so annoyed whenever I'm trying to find something in here. So we have tons of cleaning motivation for you guys today, as well as some decluttering and some organization. And I am really excited to announce that today's video is in collaboration with another YouTube friend of mine. Her name is Ivy Howell. Ivy and I have collabed in the past. I had so much fun working with her, and so we decided to do another collab again. And I would love it if you guys would go ahead and check her out. She is so awesome. She has so much cleaning motivation. She also does things like hauls and that sort of thing as well. So yeah, I absolutely love her channel. If you guys like mine, I'm sure you'll like hers as well. And if you are coming over here from Ivy's channel, I would absolutely love it if you would hang out with me and watch my video. And if you get some inspiration from it, I would love it if you would subscribe. I do a ton of cleaning motivation over here. I'm also starting to get into more mommy content and stuff like that. I have a 3-year-old son. His name is Holden, and I am currently 20 weeks pregnant with my second son. So I have a lot of mommy content coming, and I have a pregnancy update coming and all sorts of things. I also love to redo areas in our home. I just did a backyard transformation, and I am currently working on an office transformation as well as a kid's bedroom transformation. So there's a lot of exciting content coming in my channel in the near future. So we'd definitely love it if you guys would hang out and hit that subscribe button. But as you guys can see, we have already started and we are working on just doing a general cleaning of the bathroom. So one thing that I always like to do whenever I'm going to be deep cleaning or decluttering is I like to start out just having a clean space. So I go through and just do a general cleaning, have the place clean, and then it's a lot easier to like take everything out and declutter and organize and all that jazz. So we're starting off by cleaning the tub and the shower, and then we're going to move on to the toilet, which is the yucky part, of course, and the sink and all that, and then we will move on into the decluttering. So I have to tell you guys that I'm a little bit frustrated as I'm recording this voiceover because I already recorded this entire voiceover for this video and my computer ended up losing it. So I was so frustrated, and it's like late at night. I'm ready to go to bed, but I had to get this video done. So I had to record it all again, and so I'm really, really annoyed. I just want you to know. But in any case, things happen. We just have to keep pushing on, keep moving on. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the motivation so far. I did have a question that I wanted to ask you guys, and please let me know in the comments down below. What are some of your favorite, more natural disinfecting products? This stuff that I'm using here right now actually comes from my boyfriend's uncle's company. So he's like a wholesaler, and he has a whole bunch of different products that he wholesales all over the place. And when the pandemic started, he sent all of us cases of this cleaner, which is great. And it's supposed to be all natural, but it has 0 scent. And it's not even it's not a cleaner that you can just go to the store and buy. I think it's more of a wholesale product. So once I run out of it, I run out of it. So I want to definitely try some new products. I've been trying to get into more Miss Myers and Method and stuff, especially because I have kids. So I want to use more natural products. I hate using things like Lysol, which you can't even find right now anyways with the pandemic going on. But yeah, let me know some of your favorite more natural cleaning products that do disinfect as well. And as you guys can see, we have moved on into the disinfecting. I've got disinfectant on my mind now. We've moved on into the decluttering and the organization part of the video. So what I'm doing is I'm starting out with the drawers, and I'm just going to remove everything from the drawers, wipe them all down, wipe down anything inside the drawers that needs to be wiped down, and to just go from there. So some stuff I'm going to be decluttering, some stuff I'm just going to be reorganizing, but I'm just going drawer by drawer, taking everything out so that I can actually see what I all have rather than leaving it all in the drawers. And it just helps so much to decide whether or not you can actually get rid of some items or where to put it. You guys, do you ever just have those days where you're just trying so hard and just nothing seems to be working? That appears to be what is happening to me this evening. I just told you guys that I had lost all of my voiceover footage for this video, and then as I'm recording my next one, my son starts crying. He's having such a hard time going to bed. he had a nightmare a couple of days ago about frogs, and now he's terrified of frogs. Like, I can't wait to tell him this when he's older, that's what he was scared of. Like, when I was a kid, I was scared of ghosts. I think my boyfriend was scared of like monsters or something like that, but my son is afraid of frogs. And trying to tell him that there's no frogs and that, like, I'm trying to think of anything I possibly can. He has a woodland bedroom, a woodland themed bedroom, so he has like all these like woodland creatures in his bedroom, and he has all these owls. So I'm trying to tell him, I'm like, well, you know, owls eat frogs, so the frogs are way too scared to come into this room because you have like three or four owls in this room. And he's just not buying it. Just, oh my goodness. So I had to stop recording my voiceovers again. So I'll be honest with you guys, I have no idea what I've even said so far. I have no idea what I've even asked of you guys, because I know that I asked you guys to comment down below for a couple things, but I can't remember what they even were. I'm not the type of person, I don't script my voiceovers. I just kind of go and just talk and say whatever comes naturally. So I don't even know you guys at this point, but if you are still with me, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for being here for this long. And yeah, let me know. One thing I do want to know for sure is, what are some suggestions that you guys would have for under the sink organization? Because basically I just have stuff stacked in there right now, and it just is such an odd place that I just don't know what I can really use to help make it more organized, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know if getting bins or anything is going to help with that. And really what we have under there is just like random things. I have a couple of cleaners, like our toilet cleaner and stuff like that is under there. I don't think I even bothered doing that in this video. I think I might have just wiped it out and just put everything back, because there's not really, I don't really know how to organize it any better than I already did. But anyways, yeah, let me know how you guys have your under the sink organized. I don't know. Is there special, I don't know, containers or something you can get to organize it? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And now we're moving over to the medicine cabinet. And like I said, I went through this not too long ago. It was probably a couple months ago, and I got rid of any expired products, things like that. So I just had to kind of reorganize a little bit. Like, you know, as you're using things over the months, you'll just kind of set it back wherever, and then things start to slowly get out of organization. So I just had to go through and just kind of reorganize a few things, but for the most part, I didn't really have anything that I needed to get rid of in here. And I also reiterated to myself that I'm pretty stocked for anything that I should need. Like, once the pandemic hit, I went and made sure that I got like extra Tylenol and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, so I'm pretty stocked up. But yeah, as you guys can see here underneath my sink, like, I just don't really know what to do with all this stuff under here. I don't know. I need some sort of better organization system. I just pretty much wiped it down and then put everything back. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you are having an awesome day. We are now nearing the end of the video. Make sure you go and check out Ivy's channel and let her know that I sent you. And I really hope that I was able to actually motivate you guys today. And if I did, please leave me a comment down below. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day, getting things done, doing awesome. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.